Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Pixelverse, the Telegram mining project. As you know, finally, the Pixelverse listed inside top exchanges. We will check the price, we will check the chart. Further, we will talk about the airdrop of Pixelverse, the Pixfi airdrop. Some users received the airdrop. Even we will talk about that inside this video, although I will show you the latest update about the airdrop, about the distribution. Share this video with everyone. Don't skip any part of the video and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pixelverse, even other mining project, crystal project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So okay guys, first of all let's talk about the airdrop of Pixelverse. You know, everyone need to complete all the tasks in order to get the Pixfi token. Even you need to complete the task inside the Telegram project inside the dashboard. You need to complete the task in order to be eligible for the airdrop. So the airdrop is coming soon. We will get the airdrop on the 25 July 2024. Let's check in here. All users to receive their NFT rewards, Pixel Tap and dashboard users as of July 18 will receive NFTs based on engagement levels. Claimable on July 25. It means that those users who completed the task inside Pixel Tap inside dashboard, so they must receive their airdrop. They can claim it on July 25. So dashboard rewards based on boot count, levels and completed questions. Airdrop details. 10% of Pixfi allocated to holders of rare, epic and legendary NFTs. 20% of Pixfi additional rewards for Pixelverse and Pixel Chain users distributed over time. So claiming token. Gas-free claiming via the dashboard and Pixel Tap mini application with auto stacking for additional rewards. So and then stacking mechanism. Immediate withdrawal of Pixfi grants only 10% of total airdrop with 90% recycled to the community incentives pool to reward Pixelverse community. So one thing I should tell you, users must receive their airdrop. Those who completed the task inside Pixel Tap inside the dashboard, even they connected their wallet, they must receive their airdrop. So further, you can claim it on 25 July 2024. Further, you can withdraw it inside your wallet and then you can sell it in order to book your profit. So some of the users still did not get their airdrop. So even I will show you the application. So we thank you for your support and are glad to have you with us at this new milestone for the Pixelverse community, crypto adoption and the Tune ecosystem. Let's check here. So you can watch this video. Some of the users get their airdrop. Although I told you, you can claim it on 25 July. Even if you check some of the users that did not get the airdrop. Even Pixelverse listed inside top exchanges. We have Bybit, HTX, Get.io, BitGet, MEXC. The Pixelverse just listed inside 5 top exchanges, centralized exchange. Even if I show you the price, you can see the listing price is 0.2 times 0.15. The all-time high is 0.043. Even you can see the price is just moving upside. The price is just pumping. Check in here. If I show you the daily time frame, you can see. If I show you the 15 minutes, check in here. See how the price is just moving to the upside because everyone is just purchasing this project. Even still you can mine it, but after this mining does not work because people receive their airdrop even whether you received or no. Now it does not work to continue the mining. Uh, it's my idea, it's my thought. But you can see the all-time high is even the price is just making all-time high. You can see in here. Check the current price is 0.042900. In one day the price increased 2200% in one day. 2200%. Okay, now let's jump to mobile phone. Let's check the airdrop. Let's check the distribution. So okay guys, this is the Pixel Tap, the Pixelverse Telegram mining project. As you can see, I have 5.7 million. Even if I show you about the task, I just completed. You can see this one completed. Even the next one is still under review. Even I connected my wallet, but let me show you. You can see Pixfi is here. Now you can claim your airdrop. Check in here. Pixfi is here. It means that get your tokens. Okay, now click on claim option. Check in here. Check the description. Based on your activity inside Pixel tab, you were chosen as an early adopter and received special rewards. But for now, this is my NFT, the common. Still, I cannot see it. But claim in, I can say after 6 days, you can claim your airdrop as you can see the time in here. Further, if you click on next step, now see. I have 0 Pixfi token. It means that I did not get any airdrop. I did not get any airdrop although I completed the task inside Pixel tab. Even I completed the task inside the dashboard. But for now, I did not get any Pixfi token. I told you, you need to collect the Phi token from the Pixel tab. You need to collect Pix token from the dashboard. Otherwise, you will not get the token. You will not get the airdrop. But now see, I did not get any airdrop. But let's wait today, tomorrow, whether we will receive or no. But for now, I did not get any airdrop. This is how you can check your airdrop, your distribution. After 6 days, you can claim it. You can withdraw it to your wallet address. Okay. Now let's check the dashboard. If I show you about the dashboard, okay, let's go to here. This is the dashboard of Pixelverse. Now you can see I don't have any Pix token. That's why I did not get the token. That's why I did not get the airdrop because my Pix is 0. Even if I show you the task, for now you cannot see any task. You cannot see any task. Although I just completed. I just done it. But in here, you cannot see any task. Whether about the individual. Yeah, check in here. See. Even if you check in here, with this, go to here. Now make sure to complete it. Like this in here you can see. Still the task is available. Still the task is available. Okay, go to here. Check. Now it's not working. See? Because I completed. I don't know why. What's going on. Check in here. Whether I received or no, I will not regret. I don't worry about that. I don't worry about that. Whether I receive the airdrop or not, I don't worry about that. This is a free mining project. I did not invest a penny, so I don't care about that. Whether I received or not, I don't care about that. So this is how you can see your airdrop. This is how you can claim your airdrop. But one thing I should tell you, this is the second Telegram mining project listed inside exchanges. The first one is Notcoin. The second one is Pixelverse. Now the third one can be Hamster Combat, can be WCoin, can be TapSwap, can be YesCoin. Make sure to mine those projects because if you don't complete the task, if you're not active user, again you will not get the airdrop. So this is all about the Pixelverse. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this project? Because you can see the price pumped 2200% in one day. So smash the like button to watch time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this video is end up in here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.